stupid stuff that like gives us thrills, right? Honky approved. What's up, car nuts? We are back at it today on our 1999 Camaro Haas. It's an SS build. We do need to put on our light bulbs, and we got the hood off. It's in our paint booth. We're gonna spray the underside black on our hood. Some people say, why would you do black? I think it gives it a great contrast. Whatever, you can think otherwise. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna spray that today, base coat it, and probably clear coat it too, if we have enough time. And make sure that everything is just tip top on this, because I wanna start driving this damn thing all over the place. We go to tire shops, we go to muffler places, we go to Tacolicious. Tacolicious. But yeah, we gotta get this sucker kind of finished out. I wanna drive this damn thing. And it's actually still registered in New York. From 2017. 2018 maybe. 2017 inspection, 2018, whatever. Yeah, so we are, you get this bad boy on the road. So let's get some dirt. That was bright. Sorry for the echo chamber in here. I'll try not to yell so it doesn't sound too bad. And it's not perfect. It's the underside of a hood, guys. I feel like I'm gonna clean the crap out of this. It's gonna be all like perfect. And then I'm gonna spray it and it's gonna do some bull crap. I guess I'm just in my head since the last time we sprayed this damn hood. We do need to go grab some tack rags and maybe we'll grab some other stuff over there. But we'll see Jason and then maybe we'll grab a bite to eat. We'll come back, we'll spray, and then hopefully get this thing glossed out today. Let's go see our boy Jay. Let's hope he's there. Yeah, I got an old crappy battery. I know it's not one of your brands, but I need one.
It's a die-hard gold garbage.
Uh-huh. Speak the truth. Die-hards just make good batteries. I don't know shit about batteries anymore. Need one for 2000 or 1999. I keep saying 2000. Why do I keep saying 2000? 1999 Camaro SS.
One of these, unless you want to do one of the red or yellow tops.
No. Freaking keychain. Stupid stuff that like gives us thrills, right? $4. Why not? It's like that's what we do here.
Yeah, he goes the extra mile.
Yeah.
I would do this for every customer.
Yeah.
Make sure they get
He goes above and beyond. That's what's cool about Jay.
He does it for everyone.
He's my man. And obviously the man for everybody. Does this for everybody. God bless you, bro.
There you go. Let's see you later.
One of the keychains for one of the vehicles. Maybe that one, because it's a 6-speed, right? This is a 6-speed. Let's go to lunch. All right, just gonna make some paint real quick. And we're gonna do a 1-to-1 according to this really cheap black paint. Not really cheap, but it's just, you know, generic. To urethane. We're gonna do it a 1-to-1. So we're gonna mix, that's pretty big. So I'll probably do like a 3 and a 3. If I sound like I don't know what I'm saying, because I just kind of know. Handy dandy stick. Give it a nice little stir. And then it's black. Like Charlie Murphy. That's. Yeah, okay! It's black! We're gonna spray it. Let's see what it does here. Not too shabby. Alright. That's horrible, but yeah. Works. I think it turned out great, guys. This looks like it's gonna, we don't have any kind of reactions or anything. Much better than kind of before. Just gonna let it sit for probably about 20 minutes and then I'm gonna hit it with clear. Honky approved. That looked good. I love the steak. We're gonna let it dry. I think it came out good enough. Good enough for a redneck Texan in a old paint booth or new paint booth that just got thrown together. Yeah, good enough. Looks good. I like the edge. The edge looks good. Got ourselves a new battery. Of course. Let's remind ourselves how great this damn thing sounds. Super dirty on the outside, just dusty and stuff. But man, the transformation this thing made has been just super fun. It's a true Z28. It's a true 6-speed car, true leather car, all the options you see. But it has been converted to the SS. Everything that should be SS is SS. And then we did some more. You know, we got the long tube headers here. Get a good shot of these pipes here. We got the MSD plug wires. We did the block off. Put the strut tower brace on, and we put the SLP lid and filter in, and then full exhaust all the way through the back. And then we rounded it out with these beautiful Weld wheels, 18s. Bigger tire on the back, I think it's a 285, and this is a 265 on the front. So we put the SLP front scoop in the front, and then we have the wing, everything. New headliner, new visors, new everything. I mean, this car is perfect. This car is perfect. You can't beat it. It's all factory, like steering, radio and stuff. All the monsoon system, just perfect, man. So. Yeah, God bless y'all. We love y'all. Take care. See you on the next one.